Let me show you the operating interface of our 150 kilowatts charging and discharging system. For a more detailed product description, please refer to the link at the top. This is the program interface for configuring test conditions. You can set 3 key parameters: execution mode, termination conditions, and data logging settings. In execution mode, you can select your test type and choose current, voltage, or power parameters to run tests under your desired conditions. You can also configure termination conditions by inputting values for test duration, current, voltage, and power levels. When these specified conditions are met, the system automatically proceeds to the next phase. Finally, as shown on the screen, you can set the data recording frequency, determining how many data points to capture per second. The system will log data whenever changes occur according to your specified threshold values. Once you've entered all parameters and press the start, your test will begin.